In this guide, we'll show you how to easily activate your RBC debit card online. Whether it's a new card or you're reactivating an existing one, we've got you covered. Step 1. Prepare your RBC debit card. Make sure you have your RBC debit card ready. You'll need the card number, expiration date, and security code, CVV. Step 2. Log in to RBC Online Banking. Go to www.rbc.com. Click Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your online banking credentials to log in. Step 3. Find the debit card activation option. In the main menu, go to My Accounts or Accounts. Select Activate your RBC debit card. Alternatively, search for it in the online banking portal. Step 4. Enter your card information input, your 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double-check the details before submitting. Step 5. Verify your identity. RBC may prompt you to verify your identity with security questions or a one-time passcode sent to your phone or email. Step 6. Activate your card. Click Activate to complete the process. Your card is now activated and ready to use. Step 7. Start using your card. Your RBC debit card is ready for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and more. Don't forget to log out after activation for security. Alternative method: activate via RBC mobile app. Open the RBC mobile app, log in and go to My Cards. Tap Activate your debit card and follow the instructions. Conclusion: activating your RBC debit card is quick and easy. Follow these steps and you'll be ready to use your card instantly. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful guides.